Do you want to know how you can monetize your SoundCloud or your songs on SoundCloud? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to One Two Step. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can monetize your SoundCloud or some of the songs in your SoundCloud account. Go ahead and open your Chrome or Edge browser, go to soundcloud.com. Now log into your account and click for artists. It will take you to this page where you can click on monetization, click I have read and agree to the terms and services, and then press continue. In a while, you can notice that you can start monetizing your songs if you upload it. So go ahead and start uploading it. Go ahead and click on upload tracks. Choose the file you want to upload. Go ahead and search for the song which you want to upload. Click on it, write down its tags and all of the details such as additional tags, description, caption, make it public or private, then click save. Now you can see that this track has been uploaded. Now go ahead and search for artist again. You can see that you have uploaded some music, so go ahead and go to distribution, earnings, and then you can monetize your music. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.